As Indy's HVAC experts here at Peterman, we hear a lot of common myths and misconceptions about the best way to heat and cool your home. Today is part one of a two-part series dedicated to busting the myths we encounter when it comes to your home. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman. We have 8 myths in total that we plan to address over the next couple of weeks. Today, we plan to address the first 4. Our first myth is that bigger is better. When doing research or looking into replacing your old unit that's not keeping up, it's tempting to go with the biggest, most powerful option. After all, that should mean it's better at heating or cooling, right? No, that is a myth. In fact, getting a unit that is too big or oversized for your home can cause some significant problems, such as causing the unit to short cycle, making it less efficient, and shortening the system's life. The problem can also cause discomfort due to regularly fluctuating temperatures in your home. Our second myth is that it's good to cover your AC's outdoor unit during winter to protect it from the snow and colder conditions. This is another myth. If your outdoor unit is a heat pump, you are sacrificing efficiency because your outdoor unit assists in the heating process even on cold days. Beyond that, covering the unit can seal in moisture and accelerate corrosion. Our third myth is that it takes more energy to warm a cold room than to keep it set consistently throughout the day. This idea comes from the concept that if you turn your thermostat down or off during times of the day when no one is home, it takes more energy to recool the warm room once you are home than if you let it run normally while you are away. This again is a myth. It actually takes a good bit less energy to cool a warm room than to keep it cool all day. This is why we love recommending programmable thermostats. They give you the ability to set your schedule for maximum efficiency and comfort. Our final myth is that closing vents in the unused rooms will increase efficiency of your HVAC system. After all, if a space is unused, it's pointless to condition it, right? This is our final myth. While it can be okay sometimes to close a vent here or there, overall it's not recommended. This is because your unit is designed to supply a certain amount of air pressure no matter how many vents are open. Close too many, and that pressure will start to push back on your system, making it work harder to supply air to the home, increase the probability of leaks in your ductwork, and overall shorten the life of your system. And those are the first 4 myths. Come back next week for the last 4. If you've encountered any of these myths or use any of them and are looking for alternatives, give us a call, text, or message. We'll send out a friendly and dedicated technician who can help you find myth-free ways to improve your home's efficiency and comfort.